So what's going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another video. So it is currently Monday, July 22nd, 2024, 7:29 a.m. right? So I'm just gonna break down this trade and why I took it and yeah, basically right. So I took this trade on gold. Overall, I was waiting for this to pull back and silver, but it didn't pull back. Gold did pull back exactly how I wanted to, right? So I went in the higher time frames. I see we're bearish overall. So what am I supposed to do or looking to do? I'm looking to sell. So I have this area marked up, these two areas right here, right? So I come to the markets this morning, and what do I notice? Oh man, price is pulling back. So I went down, lower time frame, I found an order block. Y'all know I like order blocks at the area of interest. So I found this order block right here at the area of interest. Look at all this liquidity right here. So what did I do? I just waited patiently for market to pull back, which it did. And then when it pulled back, give me a beautiful evening star pattern right here on the 15-minute. Look at this strong bearish engulfing. And then 5-minute, just momentum. So really good trade over. I really liked it, right? Cool. So I took the trade right here, trade locker. Dang. Wow. Well, we were up like 300 at home point. But yeah, I took the trade and yeah, it's a 1 to 5. So I took the trade all the way down to this daily area of interest right here. I'm confident in the trade. I did risk 2% on this. I didn't risk 1%. I risked 2% because I realized if I'm confident in the trade, I'm gonna take 2%. Like, why am I playing the safe? Just if I'm confident in the trade, I'm gonna risk 2% on it. So that's what I did. Obviously, this candlestick just opened. So yeah, it's having a big push up. Yeah, let me just show y'all this. But yeah, just opened up. So we'll see what it does. This trade overall, I think has great potential to go to the downside. That's why I took this trade. I was gonna take it up earlier, but since the engulfing candle happened right here, I needed to wait for it to close. So I waited for it to close and I put my stop loss right above it on a 5-minute right here. So yeah, just waiting patiently. I just took this trade. Let me show y'all. So now we're down 400. We were up like 300 at one point right here. So yeah, keep you guys updated. Why does it do that? All right, cool. Yo, so what's going on YouTube? So it's currently 8:03. Let me show you all. Well, 8:01. It's currently 8:01, July 22nd, 2024, and this is just a quick update. So it just turned 8, and the hourly candlestick closed this bearish engulfing right here, which I actually really like the way it closed. So yeah, I really like the way this engulfing candlestick closed on 1 hour, and then the 4-hour momentum, and then yeah. So it's gonna go down to the daily area of interest. This trade has potential to keep going down, but I'm gonna just take my profits wherever I can take my profits. Yeah. So it's a 1 to 5. Let me just show you all how it's looking right now. Yeah. So currently we're up. One 2% because I risked 2%. I risked $2,000 on this trade, so we're up 4,000. So that's 2%. So that's a 1 to 2 right there. But in this trade, I got a well, it says 1 to 5 on the trading view, but here it's a 1 to 3.9, so 1 to 4. So yeah, we're happy to I take profit. I actually really like the way this 1 hour candlestick closed. That's what I really like. I like the way it closed. So yeah, strong momentum. Just keep going down, and then we're gonna take our profits right here, and then cool, that's it. We'll come back tomorrow or Wednesday and then do the same thing, find a good setup. But yeah, I'm gonna go to work, so once I get back from work, I'm gonna update you guys on the trade and then tell you guys my thought process behind why I took the trade. I already explained it, but when you're talking about something before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade are 3 different things. So before the trade, I had a different mindset. When I was in the trade, when I was taking it, different mindset. So after the trade, right now I have like the same mindset because I'm in the trade. But after the trade, I'm gonna explain to y'all my mindset and stuff. So yeah, but right now we're just gonna let this trade play out, and then I'll update you guys later. So you guys have a good one. All right, so what's going on YouTube? I'm back, and it is later on during the day. It's currently 5:41 p.m. Still Tuesday, July 22nd. So I'm just gonna explain to y'all why I took this trade right here. And yeah, let's just break into it. So first, I'm gonna just start off on a higher time frame. Let me remove this real quick. I'll put it back later. But on a higher time frame, we see we're at the top. It's like the highest it's ever been before. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for potential sales. Price is like telling me like this strong wick rejection right here, telling me that price is probably gonna push lower. So I'm looking for sales. Daily, I'm also looking for sales. It shifted structure right here. It was bullish and it shifted right here. So I'm looking for sales. 4 hour as well, I'm looking for sales. So I found this area 4 hour area of interest right here, which I found all the way back here as well. So I was like, okay, cool. Originally, I was looking to sell from here, but this one was also here. So I do my analysis when I get up in the morning to trade. That's when I do my, I do an analysis the night before, but the morning when I come to markets, I see an opportunity, I see something new, I'll take it. So I come to the markets, and what do I see, right? Let me replay this so it's easier for y'all. So I come to the market, I like 5 something, right? So I see price had this big push down, this order block right here. Now, you can put this wick right here and you can see like this kind of tapped it a little bit, but I used the body instead because the body just made more sense and it was within the area of interest. So I was like, okay, cool. So I came to the market and what do I want? A rejection. I'm looking to sell. I have my area of interest and I have my order block at the area of interest. This is literally like a good trade, like the perfect trade that I could ask for, right? So price, I just waited patiently and I came to the market at 5:30. Cool. That's when I came to the market. It was having this big push. I was like, okay, cool. Price kept pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Right here. Price gave me this doji candle. That's when I knew it was go time, right? So I was taking a shower while this one was doing this thing. So when I came out the shower, I see this doji candle. I'm like, exactly. That's what I want. That's what I want, market. So market did that. And then guess what? Boom. Strong bearish engulfing candle. So I was like, okay, cool. Like, hey, market gave me what I want, tapped the area of interest, gave me a evening star pattern, and what the EMA is right there. So kind of like an EMA retest, but not really, right? So it gave me that. So what I do, I could have taken this trade honestly right here after this candle stayed closed on the 5-minute, but I needed my evening star pattern. I didn't get it on the 5-minute, and I wasn't getting it on the 15 yet, so I had to wait for it. So I waited for it, and then yeah, took the trade when this closed, and literally, that's when I recorded the previous clips that you guys saw. And yeah, it flowed beautifully. So there's 2 boxes, right? So this one right here, it's there because price literally pulled down like this. And then when price was having this big retracement right here, I was looking at charts. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just close some of the profits and then let the rest running. So that's what I did. I closed some of the profits. That's why I closed this one right here. So I closed some of the profits and then left the rest running. And then literally when I was in my car, I was driving to work, I got the notification, take profit hit. I was like, okay, cool. So let me show you the account. So as you can see, this is a beautiful trade that we took today. It says a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 right here, but on here it's like a 1 to 5. So different things, trade locker, whatever. Yeah. So the account was at 96,000 something, you know, so we literally brought back, let me show you. The account was at 96,000 something, and we just literally brought it back to 102,000. So we lost about $3,000 last week on 3 different trades. And now look at this. We took 1 trade today and made back the profits that we lost, and we made more on top of that. So that's the power of trading, man. With a good risk to reward system, good strategy, staying patient, yeah. And I did risk 2% on this. I said in my previous video, obviously I'm supposed to risk 1% for the month of July. But I had seen a podcast and it was saying, if you're confident in your analysis, why are you only risking 1%? Like if you're confident in it, go big. So that's what I did. I saw a trade, I was confident in it, I put 2% on it, we just made it back. And yeah, so if I need 2 more setups, 2 more good setups to pass this funny challenge. My goal right now is 10%, and it's literally to pass the challenge. So if I can get a trade tomorrow or the rest of the week, I'm gonna risk 2%. I'm gonna need at least a 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3, and I just need 2 trades. And with that, we'll pass the account. And when I pass the account this week, if a trade presents itself, then I'm not gonna trade for the rest of this week. I'm just gonna wait patiently, and next week we're gonna start making profits in the account. So that's my goal right now. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Actually, I might just post it today, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna post it right now. But yeah, Monday, great start to the week. Good trade that we took. I like this trade. I like the way it played out. It took like 2 hours to play it, right? Yeah, 2 hours to play it. So I really like this trade. And yeah, we'll be back again tomorrow. So far, let me explain to y'all what I see on the market so far, right? So I see this 1 hour order block, but not only that, it's a 30-minute order block. Now I like order blocks on my 30-minute or 15-minute. Those are the best ones that I like personally. So on the 15-minute, it looks kind of good, but I like 30-minute better. So see this order block right here. And what are we gonna do? We're just gonna wait for price to do its thing. It's gonna go boom, 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 boom. Tap it, give me my evening star pattern, shape structure, and just melt. So literally the same trade that we took here, I'm literally just gonna take it right here again. Why not? And silver did not give me a trade setup, so I was waiting for silver to come here, never did. So it's pulling back now, so tonight it might potentially tap it or come to this area and then continue selling. But it is making a doji on the, oh, this kid is they just open. So, yeah. But that's what I'm waiting for. Silver, if there's a setup to it, we'll take the setup. If not, we'll keep watching gold. Yeah. That's basically it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and keep going, man. Keep going. You know what you gotta do. Just do it. Just do it. So, you gotta take the risk sometimes. Keep going.